It's day 4 of 50 days of robotics, and in this video we will talk about 3D translation, rotation and transformation. In the previous video we discussed about the 2D translation and similar kind of things, but in this video we will understand about the 3D translation and the transformation as well. So starting with 3D translation. 3D translation is nothing but moving the robot along the X, Y and Z axis. Just here one more axis is added, that is the Z axis, and the robot can fly upwards or else move along the X, Y and Z direction. So it depends on the movement of the robot, but it will not rotate. And in the case of the 3D rotation, the robot can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise without any translation. So that's simple about 3D translation and rotation. So these are the pure 3D translation and pure 3D rotation. If you are new to this channel, then I am Aryan Chaguste, and we make content related to robotics, AI, and there are some podcasts as well. And also you can follow the 50 days of robotics challenge. Also try to post on LinkedIn, and yeah, you can definitely follow these particular 50 days of robotics as well. Now moving towards the 3D transformation, it is nothing but the combination of 3D translation and rotation. So where the robot can move in the 3D space, for example, a drone, it can also move upwards, and also it can like rotate in its place in the clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. The major difference between the 2D transformation and 3D transformation is that in 3D transformation we have Z direction, and in 2D transformation we were not having the Z direction. So that is the major difference about 2D and 3D transformation. Now moving towards the roll, pitch and yaw angles. Actually, I will not define these particular angles, but try to show you guys a pictorial representation of it so that you can understand this in a much more practical manner. So you can see that there is a roll angle, a pitch and also the yaw angle. With the help of this image, we can definitely understand this concept clearly. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.